Guys, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious looking meal, which is very easy and take no time, perfect for your weekday dinner or lunch, and very simple and delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. And it's so versatile, you can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. I'm using here some mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, carrot and peas, some cilantro for garnishing, spring onions, and I like extra garlicky flavors. I'm adding some chopped garlic to it. And the next is, this is soyaki sauce from Trader Joe's. This is my all-time favorite. You can use it in any recipes. It gives amazing results. It has got all kind of seasoning. You don't have to add everything separately. And then I'm adding tofu here, and I have taken like for 2 serving here, so 2-person can feed from this. And then you will need some leftover rice that I have like about 1 cup, so I'm making for 2. I'm using 1 cup of cooked rice. I'm taking it all in a pan, and then what I did is I dipped the tofu pieces in the sauce so it get more flavor to it before cooking it. Cook it from both the side until they become a little crispier, but you can again use it raw if you don't want to cook it too. It's completely optional. Now in the same pan I'm gonna add some chopped garlic and cook it for just for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add some chopped veggies to it. Almost all the veggies that I need to cook, I'm going to add it here, like mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, and carrot and peas. I'm going to leave these 2 out. And just cook it until they become softer. We don't want to cook them completely. We want to have them like bite to it. And spring onion and mix it, and then next this sauce, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. There is no measurement. Once you use, you know how much you need. Now again I'm gonna let this veggies cook into this sauce for about a minute. I like more spicy, so I'm adding some chili flakes to it. And then here it goes, my cooked rice, and give it a mix. And in the end I'm gonna add some spring onion, the green part of it, and just some cilantro, and give it a mix. I like to add it in the end, so that way I have nice green color in the plate too. And give it a mix, and all ready to serve. Let's serve this in a plate, and tofu on top. I'm just gonna garnish with cilantro and some black sesame seeds. Just look at that, delicious, healthy. It has a good amount of protein, fiber from vegetables, and carbs from rice. So it's like a complete meal. You can enjoy it in your lunch or dinner. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.